Hello and welcome to today's video where I'll be showing you an easy way to earn $20 a day. Whether you're looking to supplement your income or just want a bit of extra cash, this is the perfect opportunity for you. The method I'm going to show you is called paid surveys. There are many websites and apps out there that pay you to complete surveys. These surveys are usually quick and easy and take anywhere from 5 to 20 minutes to complete. You'll be asked questions about your thoughts and opinions on various products and services. To get started, all you need to do is sign up with a few different survey websites. Some of the best sites to consider include SurveyJunkie, Swagbucks, and Vindale Research. It's free to sign up, and you can start earning right away. One of the best things about paid surveys is that you can do them from anywhere and at any time. Whether you're at home, at work, or on the go, you can complete surveys on your laptop, tablet, or smartphone. This makes it easy to earn a bit of extra cash whenever you have a few spare minutes. So, how much can you realistically expect to earn with paid surveys? Well, it varies, but you can expect to make anywhere from 50 cents to $5 per survey. Depending on how many surveys you complete each day, you can easily earn $20 or more. In conclusion, paid surveys are an easy and convenient way to earn a bit of extra cash. Whether you're looking to supplement your income or just want a bit of extra spending money, it's definitely worth checking out. Sign up with a few survey websites today and start earning money from the comfort of your own home. That's all for today's video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.